Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate your OnePay Walmart card. First, open the web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the address bar, type onepay.com/activate, then press enter. Make sure the website loads fully before moving on. When the page opens, look for the button that says Activate Now. Tap or click on that button to continue. This will take you to the login screen. Next, you will be asked to log in to your OnePay account. Enter your email address or your phone number that is linked to your account. After entering your information, tap the Login button. OnePay will then send you a one-time verification code. This code may be sent by text message or email. Check your phone or inbox, then enter the code on the screen to verify your account. After you are logged in, the activation process will begin. You will be asked to enter information from your OnePay Walmart card. Start by typing in the 16-digit card number printed on the front of the card. Then enter the card expiration date and the 3-digit security code found on the back. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal details. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on official documents. Then enter your date of birth. In some cases, you may also be asked to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. You will also need to enter the zip code linked to your address. Once all the information is entered correctly, submit the form. After that, your OnePay Walmart card will be activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching.